Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you, how to pin a contact to the top on emo.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Pinning the contact on the top, can be done directly from the Chats tab. Watch this full video to learn, how to pin a contact to top on emo. To begin, open the emo app from your apps drawer. Find the contact you would like to pin to top. Then press and hold the contact. You will see, a drop-down menu will open. From the menu, tap on, Pin to Top. Now go to top. And you can see, the contact has been pinned to top. And there is a pin icon at the top right corner of that contact. Try another contact. If you want to unpin any contact, again press and hold that pinned contact. From the drop-down menu, tap on, Unpin this chat. The contact has been unpinned. So in this way, you can pin a contact to the top on emo. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.